foodies, welcome back to Nikhil's Gourmet Food. So today we are going to prepare a chocolate pancake. So let's see the recipe. So here are the ingredients: 100 grams of refined flour, 10 gram of butter, vanilla essence, cocoa powder, sugar about 4 tablespoons, milk, eggs. We will start by mixing the dry ingredients. So first I'll add the refined flour. Then add the cocoa powder. Mix it well. Now we'll start by breaking 2 eggs. Here we are using whole egg. Then I'll add some butter. Then goes in some sugar. Add a few drops of vanilla essence. Whisk it properly. Add some milk and whisk it properly. Gradually and mix it. Now our batter is ready. Now I'll pour this batter into the pan and mix pancake. While making the pancake, you should ensure that you have a non-stick pan. Thank you for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe.